Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen not rotating issue in Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you're using S21 FE and you're facing the issue that your phone screen is not rotating, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try is check if your phone rotating or auto rotating is enabled. So just scroll down in control center. You might see the portrait option here. You just have to click on it and it will enable auto rotate or it will resist to auto rotate. And now once you have done, you can easily rotate your screen, but the main thing you have to keep in mind that you're unable to use your screen rotating or your auto rotate on your home screen. If you want to rotate your screen, you have to try to open any app. Let's say I'm gonna open the settings app here. Now once you are in the app, you can easily rotate your phone screen to landscape or to portrait. So this was the thing you have to keep in mind. But if you are facing the issue that your screen auto rotate is enabled and you are unable to rotate your screen in any app, so you can try to switch the apps first because sometimes it might be that some of your apps do not allow to rotate your screen. So you can try to switch any app, or I recommend to open any system app like settings or Play Store or anything like this. You have to check again, or if you're still facing the same issue, your screen rotating is completely not working. So what you can do to update your software update. Just go to setting, go to software update section, and here just make sure that you might have any pending software update. If you get, just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back and just try to make a restart with your phone. Click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart icon again. It will completely restart your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, if it will fix if there will be any glitch or any software issue, it might be fixed in this step. So after this, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.